Welcome to the CW Ranch, selling at auction on October the 6th with Supreme Auctions. Continue watching to discover this uniquely distinctive property in the heart of Texas Hill Country. The CW Ranch and event venue delivers at every turn, filled with spectacular scenic views, mature oak trees, and a variety of wildlife on over 66 acres. This hill country property showcases a masterful main lodge selling fully furnished. It is perfectly positioned for large gatherings and reunions, with no detail being left to chance, including multiple ensuite bedrooms, spacious living areas, covered patio, and pool for outdoor entertaining. The secondary home enjoys its own peaceful location, overlooking the magnificent homestead and views from the screened-in porch and outdoor pool seating area. For even more accommodations, the CW Ranch is also home to a guest cottage and foreman's house, which rests among live oak trees, ideal for property staff or extended family, with endless potential for fun, providing a true rancher's environment. Located just moments away from the main lodge, along its own separate driveway, and tucked within centuries-old oak trees is the entertainment venue, providing a timeless elegance that lends itself perfectly for weddings, conferences, parties, and gatherings. Made for making memories that will last a lifetime, this event facility offers a rustic setting for an unforgettable wedding day. The CW Ranch is located in the heart of the Texas Hill Country, just outside of historic Boerne, home to the renowned Hill Country Mile, filled with colorful storefronts, art galleries, culinary delights, and historic buildings. Boerne offers its residents and visitors a variety of music, restaurants, micro-breweries, kayaking at the Guadalupe State Park, and who could forget wine tasting? Encompassing the quaint towns such as Sisterdale, Comfort, Luckenbach, and Kerrville, the Hill Country is home to over 100 wineries and vineyards. Neighboring Fredericksburg is known as the epicenter of Texas wine country, all while being located within a 60-minute drive of both San Antonio and Austin. Don't miss your chance to name your price at this exclusive auction on October the 6th. Call Supreme Auctions to schedule your private tour of CW Ranch today.